To send money from Turkey to India, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange offices. Some popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and Z Money Transfer. Once you have chosen a service, you will need to create an account. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. You will also need to verify your identity, which may involve uploading a copy of your passport or other identification document. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. You will also need to specify the amount of money you want to send in the currency you want to use. It is a good idea to check the exchange rate and any fees that will be applied to the transfer before you confirm the transaction. After you have entered all the necessary information, you will need to pay for the transfer. This can usually be done using a credit or debit card, or by transferring funds from your bank account. Once the payment has been processed, the money will be sent to the recipient's bank account. It is a good idea to track the status of the transfer to ensure that it is processed successfully. You can usually do this by logging into your account on the money transfer service's website or by contacting their customer support team. The recipient will typically receive the funds within a few days, although the exact time frame will depend on the service you use and the payment method you choose. It is also important to be aware of any regulations or restrictions that may apply to sending money from Turkey to India. For example, there may be limits on the amount of money you can send, or requirements for reporting certain types of transactions. You should check with the relevant authorities or consult with a financial expert to ensure that you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations. Overall, sending money from Turkey to India is a relatively straightforward process, as long as you choose a reputable money transfer service and follow the necessary steps. By doing your research and taking the time to understand the process, you can ensure that your transfer is successful and that the recipient receives the funds quickly and securely.